On July 9th, 2024, we stopped by in a small native Aleutian community on Atka Island, which is around 1100 miles from Anchorage. We take our dinghy ashore and explore the small village. There's a beautiful Orthodox church that we continue to visit. On that day, we are very lucky that Father Timothy has arrived from Dutch Harbour and we are able to do some prayers together. The church is gorgeous from the inside. It is our first Orthodox church that we have visited arriving in the US. The church was built by Father Jacob, who was an Aleut and became an Orthodox priest. Father Timothy also shows us around the island and takes us to a nearby grocery store where we are able to stock up with some necessities. There's a lot of infrastructure and a lot of tools and machinery that supports the local community. We're also very lucky that we're allowed to visit a cultural camp for some of the native children that have arrived from Anchorage and other places in Alaska. Very interesting to see, and it's also very beautiful that the native culture, language, religion, and hunting skills are given to the next generation.